In topic 4 and 5, we will discuss on the user interface design as well as the input and the output design. So under this chapter is fall under the designing piece. So we have 3 main objectives. The first one, you should be able to explain the concept of user interface design and the human-computer interaction, including the basic principle of the user-centered design. Second, you should be able to discuss the output design issues, the various type of output, and the third part, you should be able to explain input design concept, techniques, and the methods. So first we go to look what is the user interface design. So basically, user interface design is described on how the user interact with the computer system. So it consists of the hardware, all the software, the menus and the screen, the function, as well as the features of the system that affect the two-way communication between the user and the computer. And IBM says that user interface is what you can see, what you can touch, what you can talk, and what you can hear when you use the computer system. Next part, we go for the evolution of the user interface. There are 2 models. The first one is process control model, and the second one is the user-centered system. So under the process control model, the information system only cater or deal with one type of user, which is the IT department. All the requests come from various type of users to the IT department, and IT department is the one who deal with the IS. However, in user-centered model, the information system will deal with a lot of users. Means they have various type of users, and various type of users have various skill, knowledge, and experience. The next part is about the human-computer interaction, and also known as the HCI. So human-computer interaction describe the relation or the interaction between the users, which is the people, and the people is the human who use the system, which the system is in the computer. So the interaction between the human and the computer while perform certain tasks. And the main objective is to create a user-friendly design that is easy to learn and easy to use. Okay, that is the main human-computer interaction. Okay, the next part, we go for the principle of user-centered design. There are several basic principles of user-centered design. The first one, understand the business. Before you design the interface, you must understand the business purpose. So as the interface designer, you must understand the underlying business function and how the system can support the individual, departments, as well as to achieve the organization goals. Second, maximize the graphical effectiveness. So when you design the interface, you should try to maximize the graphical effectiveness, because people learn better visually. Number 3, think like a user. Put yourself into the shoes of the users. Okay, you should understand the experience of the users, the skill level of the users, and when you design the system, the interface must be flexible to cater the novice user as well as the experienced users. Number 4, use model or prototype in order to represent your ideas, and based on the model and prototype, you can get the feedback from your customer at the earlier stage. Before you go for the development part, you must make sure that your user accept your interface design. So you can provide storyboard. From one screen, it will goes to another screen and so on. Okay, next, focus on the usability. So the user interface that you design should include all task command communication between the users and the information system. So you must design something that easy for your users in order to use the system. Next, you need to design that help invite a feedback from the users, get the feedback from the users, and document everything. So easy for you to refer back again on the comment, on any errors, on any comment or feedback from your users. Document everything. Everything must be documented. So the next video we will discuss on designing the interface.